So we got another little package. This is, I don't know, I'm just gonna open it and show you what it is. This thing is from eBay, and I don't remember what is it, but I'm just gonna open it real quick. It's gonna take a lot of fucking time unboxing this thing. Okay, well now we know. Anyways, these are some 7/8 hand grips for the bike. These ones are anodized red, and this one is for the throttle, and this one is for the left side handlebar. The bigger is because of the throttle too. So these are the ones that I got from eBay. It took like 5 days to get here, and I think the quality looks nice, not bad, but I think it's gonna look good on the bike right there. And just want to show you what's the items that I got for that bike. And as you can see, they're not bad. They look good. The rubber on the inside of the metal on the outside. These some caps you can remove. There's a bolt inside, so you can remove them. So yeah, that's the hand grips 7/8, and I got them from eBay. And if you guys wanna give it a try, let me know, and leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. See you in the next one, and the next one, and the next one.